Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of the Rough Country. This is the 9500S Pro Series winches that they have. There's all the specs on it, but I'm just going to do an unboxing, show everybody exactly what comes in the box. So let's get to it. Okay, so first things first, this actually came with another piece of cardboard wrapped around it. You could still tell it was a winch, but it had a cardboard wrapped around it. So when you open it up, you've got some instructions here. I'm guessing how to run the winch and everything, all the specs. You've got some cable here. This looks like, I'm guessing, a negative cable. You got your hook with a Rough Country strap on it. And then you've got some bolts. I'm guessing this is mounting hardware for the winch. Now inside is the winch. And it's a heavy guy. And then you have your fair lead in there, which has the Rough Country logo on it. And this has got the synthetic rope, so you don't need a roller fair lead for this winch. And then you have the remote, the handheld remote that plugs into the winch. So it looks like the remote has about 10 feet of cable. Here's a closer look at the remote. It's got a grip on it. Switch feels pretty good. So let's take a closer look at that winch. Okay, so here's the winch. It is got white foamy stuff all over it. But it looks like a pretty nice piece, guys. Here's your clutch engagement here. And then you've got Rough Country logo. Like I said, this has got the synthetic rope. So it looks to be pre-wired. All you got to do is hook up this cable to the positive. And then there's a connection down there. That's where that one cable goes to, and that's your negative. So real easy easy hookup. It's all wired up for you. You just plug your remote in there, and it's got 3 prongs on it. And that's it, guys. I don't know what else to do for an unboxing video, but yeah, it looks like a nice winch. So this is going on my Rough Country DIY bumper that I just built for my truck. If you want to go check that out, I'll have links after the video there, and you can go check that out. But anyway, guys, there it is, the unboxing of the Rough Country Pro Series 9500S. I'll see you guys.